Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sharesight beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Sharesight website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure there are no typos in your email or password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, look for the login button below the fields. Click on the login button to access your Sharesight account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the dashboard. In case of an error, check the email and password fields again. If you continue to experience issues, consider checking your internet connection. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Explore the different sections available for managing your portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.